we'd like to just hold here in the east-west holding pattern for the next 30 minutes till we hit the flyby time. Spirit 1-1 copies. We'll be expecting to exit the holding at about 22:02.
Control, Spirit 1-2 has you Lima Charlie.
Spirit 1-1, we were advised that you were going to cancel, is that correct?
Spirit 1-1, we will affirm. We do have a request before we do that, however.
What's your request? Go ahead with your request.
When we get to the flyby time, basically on the hour, I'd like to split the formation. Spirit 1-1 will be by, and 1-2 will stay at 9,000. They will pick up their IFR flight plan outbound to the west, or correction, to the east, and then depart single ship, and we'll rejoin out.
Spirit 1-1, Roger, just let me know when you're ready to do that. You're going to what? Spirit 1-1, Roger, cancellation received, and just maintain VFR, and I'll provide the flight following, and I just want to confirm you're going to cancel as a flight, correct? So both of you are VFR at this time? We can definitely do that. Spirit 1-1, cancellation received, remain on the code. Have Spirit 1-2 come up my frequency on 124.6.
SoCal Spirit 1-2 is level 10,000, 10,000, and we are going to maintain formation with Spirit 1-1 for now.
Spirit 1-2, thank you.
13505, Spirit 1-2.
SoCal approach, loud and clear.
Got you loud and clear as well. We are VFR here holding at 8,500 until about on 22:02, and then we'll be starting our run for the flyby.
Spirit 1-1, SoCal approach copies all, and please advise 2 minutes prior.
Spirit 1-1, Wilco.
Control, Spirit 1-2.
Spirit 1-2 approach.
And we are checking in. We are level 10,000.
Spirit 1-2, SoCal approach copies all, and will you be canceling, or are you just going to stay IFR?
We're going to stay IFR. We're going to make one additional hold, a turn in the hold, and then we'll be requesting to the Boulder City radial.
Spirit 1-2, copy all.
Spirit 1-2, SoCal.
Go for 1-2.
Spirit 1-2, Spirit 5, you plan on staying IFR the entire time?
Affirmative for Spirit 1-2.
Spirit 1-2, Rich.
SoCal approach, Comanche 8984, Papa's with you at 10-5 descending.
8984 Papa, SoCal approach, prevent altimeter at 3007. That's Spirit 1-1, just so I know exactly what you're going to do after the flyby. You're going to continue out to the east and climb to what altitude?
And 84 Papa's got a stealth bomber below me.
Hey, firm. 2,000 feet below. 2,000 feet below.
Okay, 84 Papa.
There is one 3 o'clock and about 3 miles. He's northeastbound. He's 500 feet below.
Hey, 84 Papa, we're looking.
That's Spirit 1-1, just so I'm clear. On departure, after you finish the flyby, you're going to continue out to the northeast and climb to what altitude?
Yeah, Spirit 1-1, we'd like to left-hand turn and climb up to 25, Christian 240.
I'm sorry, Spirit 1-1, say again?
Spirit 1-1's looking for a climb up to 240 following the flyby.
Rosebowl control, 2-minute hack to fly over. Come on, copies.
SoCal approach, Spirit 1-1, we're 2 minutes out from the descent.
Hey, call SoCal, say again?
SoCal, Spirit 1-1.
Spirit 1-1, Roger. Yeah, Spirit 1, you're inbound now.
And approach Spirit 1-2, relaying for Spirit 1-1, affirmative, they are inbound to the Rose Bowl.
Spirit 1-2, Roger, thank you. Yeah, Spirit 1-2, when you turn eastbound, there's traffic about 3 west your position, southeastbound 10,000. Spirit 1-2.
Go for Spirit.
Spirit 1-2, traffic 3 west your position, southeastbound altitude 10,000, descending.
Further at 10,000.
Spirit 1-2, affirm at 10,000, 3 west your position, southeastbound.
Copy, we are still level at 10,000, we're searching.
Yeah. 84 Papa traffic, 12 to 11 o'clock, about 2.5 miles southwestbound, looking for your 10,000 AB2.
Yeah, we've got him, 84 pop. We're turning left a little bit.
Thank you.
SoCal approach, Spirit 11's on the climb out left-hand turn.
Was it me, or was he not right over the Rolls Bowl?
It looks like he had to do a little bit of a turn to get back on. I think he kind of got lost.
SoCal approach, Spirit 11.
Spirit 11, SoCal.
Spirit 11 is on climb out. We're passing 2700 out to the east.
Spirit 11, copy that. What's your destination?
And Spirit 11, we'd like to pick up our flight plan back to Whiteman.
Spirit 1, photo plane. Good job, you guys. I got you on both this morning and now.
Roger, resuming navigation. Sail 2, climbing 2 for now.
SoCal Spirit 1-2, update on traffic, please.
Spirit 1-2, traffic no factor.
Roger that, then we're ready for flight plan 1 able.
Spirit 1-2, on request.
And we're looking for the Boulder City 175.038 mile 6 at flight level 250.
Spirit 11, contact SoCal approach 125.5, 25.5.
125.5, Spirit 11, switch.
And Spirit 1-2, clearance on request. We have to get it out the machine and have my data guy bring it over as soon as he can.
1-2 copy, thanks. Approach, Spirit 1-2.
Spirit 1-2, cleared, direct Hector, direct Sierra, Zulu, Lima.
Direct Hector, and then Sierra Zulu Lima for Spirit 1-2, requesting flight level 250, 1 able.
Spirit 1-2, climb maintain 13,000.
13,000, Spirit 1-2.
Spirit 1-2, traffic 12 o'clock and 12 miles northwest on 10,500, type unknown.
Spirit searching.
Spirit 1-2, traffic no factor, direct Hector, direct Sierra Zulu Lima, contact Josh approach 124.55.
12455, great working with you guys. Happy New Year, Spirit 1-2.